little less hand movement.
A little less hand movement, please.
Oh.
Okay. I got a summer job at Amtrak that was supposed to have only lasted for the summer, and I wind up staying 41 years. The people that I've met and the people that I hopefully have made a difference with, that's what I'm most proud of. Every day I called and spoke to my mom, no matter where I was in the country. And her last words was to me always, when we're saying so long to one another, "Joy, be a blessing to someone." I'm very proud of the small part I played in helping people to get to Washington, D.C., to participate in the March on Washington, one of the greatest things that we ever participated in. When I start having trouble with my aortic stenosis is after I retired. I'm doing my Meals on Wheels, and I had a very hot pain shoot down the middle of my chest.
I knew then something was seriously wrong, and that frightened me. Even when I had the first real sign with that burning sensation and willed it away.
And it was kind of scary. I set in my car, took a deep breath, and it went away, so I just drove on about my business. About 2 weeks later, here comes that pain again. So I said to myself, "Joy, what would you tell one of your employees? What would you tell one of your friends?" So I marched on to the doctor, and my doctor was the kind who would tell me about how my aortic stenosis was progressing by using a water fountain. And he had said, "Joy,
the valve is narrowing, and it's time for us to do something." And that's how I found out about TAVR.
Had no idea what that journey was going to be. No such word as can't. And so I went ahead with it, and here I am talking about it.
I was just amazed I did not have any kind of discomfort from this procedure. If I was near death or close to death, I had no idea. I was just delighted that I was able to continue to do the things that I enjoy doing.
I still like getting involved with things, you know.
Move, girl. Get going. Do the things that you need to do. But try to give back. And the people at Edwards, every time that I can say thank you to them, I'm gonna do it in whatever way I can, because they're a wonderful bunch of people.
I have traveled far, right? But I wasn't just along for the ride. I've lived a big life. Heart valve failure isn't how I go out.